Thutha wa Maseneta na kamĩtĩ-inĩ ya gũthũrima ũhũthĩri wa mbeca cia county CPAC kwanĩkwo na gũconorithio nĩ kanjũ ya Mangabana atĩ nĩ metagia mahaki kuma kũrĩ Mangabana na arĩa marega kũruta magatengerio ta mũithikiri wa kũiywo na ciũria itarĩ na njĩra.
Na niko tayari kumwambia mtu moja kwa moja, wewe umechukua pesa na wache upuzi wako.
Seneta ya rĩu nĩ meyaũrĩte icoki rĩa thitango ici makiuga ĩno nĩ njĩra ya Mangabana kũgera kũrĩra kũigĩrĩrwo gabiro kumana na ciĩko cia ungumania na wanangi wa igoti rĩa mũingĩ.
Over 2 weeks of exposes, Mr. Speaker, not our invention, not fiction, based on audit reports. What are the governors trying to do? Deflect attention and make the Senate look like they are the thieves. Yet they are the ones with documented, where there is evidence, where there is proper reports of theft.
Not be entertained. Mr. Speaker, you cannot behave in an indignified manner. Then you want to address the House from all the corners of the country saying, oh, we shall come or we shall not come.
Igũrũ waguo Maseneta ya maugĩte wona marĩkia wĩra wao wa gwethera kaunti mbeca nĩ ũigĩrĩrĩki wao gũtigĩrĩra gũtirĩ kĩng'otore ona kĩmwe kĩorĩra thĩ kuona mathĩtwo nĩ gatiba mathũrĩme ũrĩa thirikari cia kaunti iraterebwo.
Kenyans need to be outraged by the kind of reports and the kind of stories that come out of the Senate, by the kind of revelations that are coming out of these committees. But what do our governors do? The proverbial thief who turns around and accuses the pursuer that is the thief.
Military summons are equivalent, Mr. Speaker, to an order of the High Court of this Republic, and therefore can never be waived by a decision of people who are cooling breeze and enjoying themselves in Kilifi.
Atongoria maugĩte Mangabana arĩa makuoya gũtĩa thamanji cia kamĩtĩ cia Senate nĩ megũtacũkĩrio makinya ma kĩwatho ta ũrĩa watho wendekithĩtie.
That we are not going to accede to that request, because if it works in Parliament, today it will be the governors, tomorrow it will be the President making a call, and once they are done with Parliament, they will go to the judiciary, and the constitutional order as we know it will completely die. Let this baby not die in our hands.
And if any of them fails to appear, Mr. Speaker, then let the law follow its course, because the Parliamentary Privileges Act, Mr. Speaker, as well as all other laws, provide for what you do with errant members of the public who fail to appear or honor parliamentary summons.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, gĩtagwo Gĩtonga wa Wambũi.